This is a public service reminder from the Rizal Technological University Disaster Risk Reduction.
Engages in joint research together. The base was first used in 1997, signifying the university's formal transition into its new identity and mission. Today, as our Grand Marshal bears this symbol, it serves as a reminder of RTU's proud history, its enduring academic traditions, and its commitment to excellence. Let the maze be a source of pride for all members of the RTU community, our students, faculty, staff, and alumni.
Anong course yan?
the Dean of the College of Business, Entrepreneurship and Accountancy, Mandaluyong Branch, Dr. Rob Sherry Monton. The Dean of the College of Business, Entrepreneurship and Accountancy, Pasig Branch. And Dr. Maria Eugenia Ariano. Worn by our university president is the Presidential Medallion, which is a symbol of leadership and authority granted by the University Charter and conferred by the Board of Regents. It signifies the authority to confer and grant honors and degrees to our graduates. The RTU Medallion bears the seal of the university and the different logos of our colleges and institutes.
Mamaya wala. Mamaya wala.
Dr. Duhon, maraming salamat po sa inyong very generous introduction sa akin. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Yung introduction, baka mas mahaba pa sa mensahe ko sa inyo. Alam ko naman, nag-graduate din naman po ako. Naalala ko ng 2011, graduation namin. Buti nga dito, aircon po ang graduation natin. Graduation namin nun sa covered court, 5 oras ang graduation namin nun. Kasi 2,000 kami, at least ito mga 600 lang. Sina Dr. Yang po lang magsasawa dahil 6 yung batch na attendant po nila. Pero naalala ko nung ako po yung nakaupo, kung saan kayo nakaupo ngayon, mas mainit lang dun sa graduation namin. May dalit muna kayo, hindi po ako ma-open, wag po kayo mag-alala. Pero Kuya Ramiro, it is truly a privilege, it is an honor and privilege for me to stand before you here today in this very special occasion in your lives as you close a chapter in your lives and open a new chapter. Pero siyempre, bago po ang lahat, nais kong batiin at pasalamatan ang ating university officials sa pangunguna ni Dr. Yanko, ang ating Board of Regents, our faculty and staff. Thank you very much for having me in your graduation ceremony. Maraming salamat po. Palakpakan naman natin sina Dr. Yanko, ang ating Board of Regents. We're looking what we're doing. The true test of our character as individuals is what we do when no one is watching. Kung ano ang gagawin natin, kung ano ang ginagawa natin pag walang nakatingin sa atin. Your generation has a very special, a very unique opportunity. Sana alam po ninyo ito. Lahat naman ng henerasyon ng pagbabago, hindi bago, pero yung pagbabago na nangyayari ngayon at mararanasan ninyo sa susunod na mga taon, makikita niyo po na exponential yung magiging pagbabago. Ngayon, madalas natin na pag-uusapan yung ChatGPT, artificial intelligence, but the truth of the matter is this is only the tip of the iceberg. Hindi pa natin masyado na pag-uusapan yung quantum computing, ano-anong mga nakikita natin ngayon. Bakit? May YouTube, TikTok, Facebook naman tayo.
Cruz Reynier Hernandez, cum laude. Cura Medici San Pedro, cum laude. Galopines Princess Joy Antanot. Daso Maricar Pineda. Jomar Chua, Del Rosario Rona Tagulabo, De la Cruz Joanna May Saborda, Española Sofía Rey Martino, Espino Mrs. May Magno, Mabrigas Jana Fe Batocabe, Francisco First Howard Ian Geronimo, Gabison Mark Justin Dalisay,
Joyce M. Lucky from Bachelor of Science in Office Administration to lead the graduates in the pledge of loyalty to the university. All graduates, please rise.
Napupunta na yan.
Pledge of loyalty na.
Magkakanta na?
Nakano.